All right, I think I like the way this one turned out. I did some interesting things that I've done a little bit before, but I experimented a bit. So obviously, I added a lot more detail to the painting to give it more depth and more, the illusion that there's a lot of planes in there. Some dimension planes, right? So I brought some of that value from that lavender purpley sky and just hinted it kind of in the water there, and put all these little indications of all these little trees in the background, and kind of dropped some bushes and shrubs in front of them. And then see, I got this little outcropping right here just for interest. And then I brought this little island out here. I thought, well, that'd be kind of fun. Put a little island, like you're maybe just way back in something. Maybe you're in a lake and you're kind of getting back into like the recesses of like a little headwater, or maybe a stream that's feeding into a larger body of water. And then I kind of did the same thing here. Maybe an outcropping coming off of this main piece of land is sticking out, and you're kind of seeing around the sides of it a little bit. And then, yeah, I just thought it looked really cool. And I think I'm not going to mess with it too much. I'm not going to do anything to the sky. I kind of like it as is. This is one of my early skies. Again, this was originally a black canvas painting, but I like the richness of this one. This one's got a nice, rich texture to it. Like, it's just very, I don't know how to describe it. I kind of get a feeling when I'm painting, and sometimes I just kind of go. I just roll with what I think is feeling kind of cool at the time. And then I just don't mess with it too much, because I find if I mess with them too much, then I end up screwing them up, and then I end up wiping it and then making it really worse than kind of what I had originally. So yeah, there you go. These tree values are a lot lighter than those original trees. I don't know. I'm again playing with color values and dimension and depth, and what is not visible to the naked eye. So basically I'm just starting with a really basic waterline and then just painting stuff up in front of it. So it tells your brain that, oh, there's something kind of back there. There's something around there. There's something in there. Or there's something way back there. Or there's maybe a little something there. Or, what's going on in those woods. That's the imagination fun part of all of this. And that's why it's fun to do this stuff. And then share it with you guys as I, again, pick up new techniques and learn new little things as I'm rolling along through this little painting adventure of mine. So thanks for tagging along. See you guys later.